হ্যালো গাইস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু আকিশ ওয়ার্ল্ড। আমি আকাশ, তোমরা দেখছো আকিশ ওয়ার্ল্ড। আজকে দেখো আমি চলে এসেছি তামসুই রিভার সাইড, যেটা হচ্ছে ওয়ান অফ মাই ফেভারিট প্লেস ইন তাইপে। Whenever I feel any kind of I have time, I can go somewhere, so I always prefer to come Tamsui, and that's why today also I come here. And now it's almost 4:30, and from the morning it was too cloudy and also very cold. And but today now suddenly I got sunlight after I think after 1 week, I guess. So after 1 week when I got sunlight, I feel so good, so refreshment, like from inside, and I can't express, my joy. Like it's kind of, I got something kind of that feeling. So I will try to show you here the all place and the around how the Tamsui, and you can hear like some music is going on right behind the scene. So that's so good. People are dancing here, the regional dance. So everything is so far so good. So I'll try to show you guys everything whatever I can. So stay tuned with me and let's go another place. তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ আমার পেছনটা দেখো, এত সুন্দর ভিউ। কারণ বললাম না ক্লাউডি, and it's kind of very cloudy, but the behind the scenery is so beautiful. I don't know how much it's coming in my camera. It's not good quality, but still my eyes are so I'm blessed to see such kind of scenery, right? And you can see this side is the sea, this side, and yeah, now sunlight is coming. Always feel good whenever I got the sunlight. So see the whole place. I'll show you guys the around, like there is a kind of market. We can go and we can do some shopping there, like some toys or some kind of food, kind of nice market we can tell, but it's always here the whole day. The shops are open. It's for the tourists, so everybody come here. So I will show you guys the behind the view and how it is. You can see it's so beautiful, and the sky is also looking so beautiful. So stay tuned. দেখো যেমনটা বলছিলাম, so good to see, right? So good to see. Wow, there is, my goodness. I come from this side, and this side is the Tamsui MRT station. So I come from that side, and here, oh my god, look at the view. I'm really enjoying, right? I'm so happy today. I have, night shift, and every people are saying you should take rest. Can you guys tell me, if I don't get sleep, so how I can sleep? And without getting sleep, if I torture myself to sleep, that will be more pathetic for me. So I thought I should go outside and have I can take the beautiful view. Wow, I'll try to show you guys. And this is my favorite place. Everybody can tell if I am feeling I'm feeling alone, lonely. I can, whenever I get time, I always prefer to come here. See? তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? And people are enjoying with their boyfriend, girlfriend. This is so good place for dating also. So you guys can come here. It's one of my recommended place. Anybody is coming Taiwan, basically in Taipei, you should visit. You should visit this place. It's because it has some vibes, this place, and you will definitely enjoy here. Really, I'm telling you. You can see birds are flying. Because it's sea beach side, you can see lots of different new birds. So it's a good place to be here and to roam with your favorite person. So stay with me. I will again show you guys দেখো আমি যতটা আরো এগিয়ে যাচ্ছি কাছের দিকে তোমাদেরকে এবার রিভারটা দেখাবো তত মনে হচ্ছে যেন আমি হারিয়ে যাচ্ছি লাইক আই এম রিয়েলি it's can't like I can't describe in my words. It's so beautiful and the place, oh my god, if I don't come here today maybe I didn't see this view today. I'm so lucky today. Whatever God gave me, always I'm always lucky for that. Whatever and whenever I get something, it's so beautiful, right? Even people are taking photos on one of these only because I have also taken this photo and it's really lucky we are today. We got such beautiful view and you can see the whole river side. And someone is singing here, so you can see it's a really beautiful place. Just need to enjoy the moment with the flow of the song and the air, everything. Maybe due to the sunlight and also the cloudy weather, this place become more beautiful and it's evening time. আরেকটা অ্যানাদার পার্টে যাচ্ছি মানে হেঁটে হেঁটে পুরোটাই রিভার সাইডে আরও বিউটিফুল হয়ে যাচ্ছে like this sea is becoming more beautiful, you know, and because it's now 4:45, yeah, and today it's cloudy so it's more looking beautiful. I'm going and that side like it's more happening kind of, people are doing music, more tourists are coming because that side is a lot of shops, people used to have foods and enjoy the time. So guys, stay tuned with me, I'll cover. দেখো যেহেতু আমি রিভার সাইড ধরেই হেঁটে হেঁটে যাচ্ছি, আমি ওই সাইডে ছিলাম একদম, আমি এখন রিভার সাইড ধরে হাঁটছি অ্যান্ড ঠিক আমার রাইট সাইডে এমনি বাচ্চাদের খেলার জন্য ফর দ্য চাইল্ড দে ক্যান প্লে দ্য গেমস and also for not for only for the child, also for the adults, they also can play here. And my right side, but today is less open the shops because it's still only evening, still not evening, and also it's a weekend time. Maybe tomorrow it will be more, this place will be more happening, so it's more beautiful place and you can see the view. You can roam here and enjoy the view also here. It's so beautiful. Some shops are opened but not all the shops, so that's why I always love this place. You can sit in such small sitting place also they have. You can sit, you can eat and enjoy. Maybe I will sit here for a while and take the view, then I can again go some places. But you can see now here, and this in front of me, it's kind of a turtle, right? It's called like turtle. It's so I forget the name actually. From here you can take the boat and from this side you can go also that side. See, some boat are already there, like it's very less costly, only I know $58. By $58 you can go from this side to that side, and it will be a good experience. But if you have stomach problem, like if you have like, you know, some people have the water problem, like whenever they go by ships they have such problems, so I think that is not recommended for such people, but otherwise you can go, you can enjoy the water. দেখো I also want to show you guys, like as I was telling, you guys can take the ship from here, like the boat here. From here you can take this boat and go to that side. And here it's so beautiful. Now it's getting crowded because people are coming now. Maybe some people will come for the walking, and some people will come for the dating, anything. So if you also want to come here, please come here and be the part of this also. I'm really scared about the boat. Here you can cut the ticket, and there are a lot of shops for having food. Here people used to call, like, this place cake is very famous in the another road. I will also show you that road. The cake is very famous here, and you can buy the cakes for your family. I bought a lot of times for myself only. Yeah, it's so beautiful, and because it's sunny now, so it's more beautiful. আরো কাছাকাছি আসছি, আমি হেঁটেই যাচ্ছি। এটা অনেক একটা বড়, যতদূর পর্যন্ত দেখতে পাচ্ছো, লাইক we can go until that place, we can see from here. So, and all place is kind of like that. People are singing, some people are drawing. Here is also the Starbucks coffee. I'm not promoting them, but yeah, if you want to have coffee, you can come here. And also they have the beautiful place, like for the Muslims, those are Muslims, they can pray here because it's the time. Maybe you can also pray here by sitting here. It's so beautiful, and this is now sunny, so it's more beautiful. And I know here in this place, maybe after some time somebody will start to do the painting, some art. You can show.